Taking some time to connect to myself. I've been through a lot. Taking some time to dive into the source of it. Well, tossing and turning, I found a new spark deep inside myself. Tossing and turning, stretching my arms and legs. Looking for the now is the answer for solving our problems. I'm laying down to get to death with my subconscious. Treat myself with kindness and tenderness, reveal the simple joy that's inside. This is my liberty. Don't let this sing without morality. Stop and chasing things that I don't want to be. I'm wide awake. I'm stepping out these patterns. No more chasing dreams that I don't want to be. Stop ignoring things that I don't want to be. I'm wide awake. I'm stepping out is better. I had a lot of thoughts regarding the things that happened to us the last months that I was here. Finally decided I can take it anymore. Now I will leave the choices I made, losing the best thing that I had. Finally learned to fight for what life deserves. I'm taking away this time. I'm giving so much of my time to bring you back into my life. I promise you I never meant to be so far. I always had you on my mind. You are one of a kind you are. And every time we part, I always thought of you. I always thought of you. I always thought of you. I always think of you. I always think of you. Don't wanna miss your smile. I wanna be your bud. I wanna be around. I never decided you, but now I decide on you. I know I'll be there for you, as long as you want me to. I know I walked out of you. It was the best I could do. I had to give up on you, so I can come back to you.
Dror, Biji, Dima.
Ilya. Dr.Or, band, everybody. Give a big round of applause to them. Our name is Dr.Or. Dr.Or band.